This video will demonstrate the installation process of the Bonrefresh Tower Sparkling Water Dispenser. The dispenser is designed for indoor use only, and ambient temperatures ranging from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid locating the machine where it will be subject to direct sunlight or exposed to other external heat sources. Allow a minimum clearance of 6 inches at the lower front of the dispenser for proper air circulation. A template has been provided with the tower that details the location of the holes required for mounting the tower to the countertop. A copy of the drawing of this template is included for reference in the installation and operating guide. Once the countertop has been prepared for installation, make sure that the gasket retainer and the gasket are in place. Route the tubing bundle from the tower through the hole in the countertop. Then position the tower onto the countertop. A second person is needed to hold the tower, while someone below the counter to install bracket and tighten screws. Using the supplied 4 mounting screws, 4 lock washers, and mounting plate, attach the tower to the countertop. With water only, pre-wet the O-rings on all 4 male fittings on the tower conduit assembly. Use 2 mounting screws to attach the fitting manifold at the end of the tubing bundle coming from the tower to the mating connection at the back of the machine. Connect the electrical cord that is attached to the tubing bundle to the back of the cabinet. A water filter has been included with the dispenser. The water filter should be installed as close as possible to the inlet of the machine, but downstream of the shutoff valve. The new water filter should be flushed with at least 5 gallons of water before hooking it up to the dispenser. Install the adapter elbow assembly fitting to inlet valve located in the rear of dispenser. Place the CO2 tank into the rack and secure with chain. Remove safety cap from tank inlet. Install washer before installing supply line to tank. Use the supply tool to tighten the supply line. Install the CO2 line from the machine to the external pressure regulator on the tank stand. Ensure to install nylon washer before tightening. Install the supply line from the external CO2 regulator. Plug the dispenser into an electrical outlet. Turn on the water supply to the dispenser. Flip the dispense switch to on. The water bath will begin to fill. The water bath will fill and automatically shut off when the water bath is full. Check the sight glass to confirm that the water bath is full. Once the water bath is full, flip the compressor switch to on. It will take several hours to create the ice bank required for full dispenser performance, but there will be chilled water in 1 to 2 hours. During this time, some further trickling from the water bath into the drip tray is expected due to expansion caused by the ice bank formation. Ensure that the dispense switch is on. Dispense water from the still water lines until the cloudy appearance dissipates and the water flows clear. Next, dispense water from the sparkling water lines until again the cloudy appearance dissipates and the water flows clear. Dispense water from the sparkling water lines by pressing and holding the plus button until again the cloudy appearance dissipates and the water flows clear. Dispense water from the still water lines by pressing and holding the plus button until the cloudy appearance dissipates and the water flows clear. Open the pressure regulator and set to 120 psi. Loosen the lock nut on the regulator and use a screwdriver to adjust the pressure. Then tighten the lock nut to lock in the pressure. Dispense sparkling water until carbonation appears. The machine is now ready for use.